Welcome to this tutorial on how to open an ETrade Roth IRA. A Roth IRA can be a great way to save for retirement, allowing your investments to grow tax-free. To get started, you will first need to visit the ETrade website. Look for the Open an Account button on the homepage and click on it. Once you are on the account opening page, you should select Roth IRA from the list of account options available. The site will guide you through the process, prompting you to provide personal information such as your name, address, and social security number. Be sure to have your financial documents handy, as you may also need to enter information about your employment and income. After you have completed the initial information, ETrade will ask you to review their terms and conditions. Make sure to read these carefully before moving on. Once you agree to the terms, you can set up your account preferences. This includes choosing how you want to fund your Roth IRA, whether it's through a bank transfer, rollover from another account, or a contribution. Finally, follow the prompts to finalize your account setup. Once your Roth IRA is open, you will have the ability to start investing. Don't forget to familiarize yourself with the ETrade platform and explore the various investment options available. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your Roth IRA.